Hi guys, this is Crystal with Fort Worth Cosmetic and Family Dentistry. I'm going to show you how to use your whitening trays today. First, go ahead and gather your materials. You'll need your whitening trays, your whitening gel, and then also a napkin. Go ahead and brush your teeth as recommended by your hygienist, and go ahead and clean your hands too. You'll grab your whitening trays out. Starting on the top one, you will get your whitening syringe and you'll break the tip off. You'll dispense it by the bottom plunger, and you're gonna use a small dot in each and every tooth, skipping the very last tooth, which is usually your second molar. So do a small dot all the way around, and you'll want to do that on the front surface, so the surface that is closer to your lip. After you get it all the way around, go ahead and pop your tray in your mouth with some firm pressure on the chewing surface of your teeth. At this point, you'll want to grab your napkin and wipe off any excess that has been pushed out of the top of the tray. Repeat for the bottom as well. These will sit in there for about 45 minutes to an hour. Please take them out if you're feeling any discomfort or sensitivity. Make sure to watch around the bottom of the tray to make sure no gel is seeping onto your gum tissue. That can cause a little bit of irritation there, so you'll want to keep that away. Go ahead and repeat this every single day if you can for about 2 weeks. You can skip days if you need to based on sensitivity. After you love your new white bright smile, go ahead and put your trays back up in your medicine cabinet. Save your extra gel for when you're ready for a touch-up. Thanks guys, I hope this has been informative. If you have any questions, feel free to holler at us.